How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 64 Chevy II Nova. It's a real clean body, done in a victory red. Cool car. Got the original grille and headlight bezels all in very good condition. It's got a new front bumper on it. This car's real straight, flat down the sides. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going today. So I really like these little shoebox Novas. Just cool little cars. So all the trim in the back's all in excellent condition. The rear bumper's been redone. Car's real straight down the sides, nice and flat. It's got a set of Krager Street Stars on it. It's got power disc brakes up front. It's got a stout 406 with aluminum heads, intake, and Edelbrock carb. Nice heavy duty radiator. It's all MSD ignition. It's all painted nice under the hood, all detailed nice. It's got a 350 turbo trans. Duals out the back. So all the jams are real nice on it. Door panels are all new. Dash has all been redone. Headliner's real nice and tight. Got seat belts front and rear. Nice bench seat with the fold down armrest. Real comfortable to drive. All inside the trunk's real nice. It appears all the body panels and floors are the originals. Car come from out west originally. Got a nice trio of gauges, a little console, the AM/FM CD stereo. Tell you, it's just a really fun car to drive. Drives great, runs strong. It's got a real stout running motor in it. Sounds really good out the back. It's a cool car here. You don't see too many of these little shoebox Novas. He's a little new to the hot rod stuff. Have a great day, folks.